how to buy Bitcoin or Gate.io. So before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do our research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. See please the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So if you don't have an account on Gate.io, go below in description. You will be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account on Gate.io and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on Gate.io and fund it with some USDT, what you need to do, click on here, search, and type BTC. So after that, what you need to do, just wait. As you can see, click on spot here. So you will be able to see this pair here. So if you have USDT, click on this pair, as you can see. So after that, what you need to do, it's easy and simple. Just wait a few seconds. So here you will be able to select the buy option. Now here type how much you want to buy of that Bitcoin. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of USDT in order to buy this token. So after that, click on buy BTC and you will be able to buy this token. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage you want to use of that USDT you have on your account in order to use it to buy this token, which is Bitcoin. So after that, click on buy Bitcoin and you will be able to buy this token on your Gate.io account. So this is how to buy Bitcoin on Gate.io. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.